Echo Drive draws power from a single source: light. Any light. Not only bright sunshine, but cloudy days, or even artificial light. Echo Drive converts light into electrical energy, which is stored in a rechargeable power cell, driving the motor, the gears, and the hands. On a single full charge, a Citizen watch with Echo Drive can run for over 6 months, even if stored in the dark, resulting in never having to change your battery. Citizen Echo Drive, powered by light.
Today, I want to tell you about a purpose-built tactical watch that's ready for the long mission, yet sophisticated enough for a night out on the town. Let me introduce you to the Garmin tactix Delta Solar Series. The tactix Delta Solar has all the same great features that you've come to know and expect from our tactix Delta, such as night vision compatibility, stealth mode, and an onboard kill switch, just to name a few. To learn more about these and other tactical specific features on this watch, check out our tactix Delta video by clicking on the link in the description below. But to top that off, we've added some other features to the Solar Series to help you get the most out of your mission-ready smartwatch, such as premium materials, a solar charging lens, federal public land maps, and even a version with an applied ballistics calculator. With your tactical lifestyle, you should have a watch that holds up to the paces that you're going to put it through. So we've designed the tactix Delta Solar with premium specialized materials to hold up to military standards and some of the roughest environments. Ruggedly built, this smartwatch features a military-inspired black tactical nylon strap with reinforced stitching, and a black DLC-coated steel bezel with a scratch-resistant sapphire glass that houses solar harvesting technology. Oh yeah, you heard that right. You asked and we delivered. The sun has many positive effects, such as enhancing our mood, relieving stress, and even charging your watch. When you're in the middle of a long mission, you shouldn't have to worry if your smartwatch has the battery life to go as long as you can in the field. So we've designed the tactix Delta Solar Series with a Power Sapphire solar charging lens. Along with the custom power manager modes, the solar charging lens uses sunlight to extend battery life from hours to days and even weeks. For more specific information on battery life, check out the product page by clicking on the link in the description below. The tactix Delta already brought you a huge variety of navigation features for your adventure. But we wanted to bring you features for every kind of adventure. So we've added federal public land maps to the tactix Delta Solar. With the option to display U.S. public land boundaries on topographical maps, you'll have the help you need to know where you're venturing and where you're supposed to be. And let's face it, there are some situations that just require extra finesse, concentration, and expertise. Well, we want you to be equipped to execute your every objective. So we designed the tactix Delta Solar with ballistics. This version of the Solar Series features applied ballistics elite software that calculates aiming solutions for long-range shooting in the field. Folks, with solar technology and all the specialized tactical features and so much more, this watch is built to stay in the field. Be ready for the long mission with the tactix Delta Solar Series.
you.